Hey everyone, thought I'd do a quick little video and show you what we got going on new here. This is my new workshop where I'll be finishing this bus conversion. This is just a industrial storage park. So nice little shed here. As I mentioned in another video, the party bus business where I had been working on this bus, we're moving out of that facility and the party buses are going elsewhere. So I had to find a new home for a TSLABUS and here it is. So we're in the outskirts of town. Fairly simple little shed, you know, just made out of steel. I do have one single 20 amp outlet, so there's a little bit of power here, not much. Just a generic steel roll-up door. This place is, it's a very basic shed. I've got no water, no plumbing, no insulation, no heat, anything like that. So Iowa winters can be a little bit brutal, so it's going to be cold working here in the winter. I do have a propane heater that I can use out here in the winter when I'm working. So I did toss around the idea of trying to throw a little insulation up on these walls. I can't permanently affix anything to the structure, so no drilling or anything like that. But I could suspend some slats and hang some bad insulation through here if I want to. We'll have to look, see if I can find any bargains on that. I don't want to spend a ton of money on it, but might be nice to get a little bit of insulation in here for the winter time when I'm running that little propane heater. And obviously I'm gonna have to be careful with what materials I leave out here in terms of fluids and stuff like that, 'cause stuff will freeze. And then when I am working on this thing in nicer weather, I can always take this bus home too if I'm working on anything that I need more clearance in the ceiling, if I'm doing roof work, or if I need water, or probably when I go to paint it too. I'll probably just do that at home. I can take the bus home for short periods of time, just city ordinance. I can't leave it in my driveway or parked out on the street for long periods of time. So just starting to move in here. We have roughly 1 month yet in the old shop, so we're still finishing up stuff, and I'm slowly starting to move some of my stuff over here. But this will work okay. It's going to be real tight quarters. I did throw just a double layer tarp down on the floor. The owner asked that if I'm going to be doing anything in here that could, the shop is brand new, so I'm the first tenant in here. So he just said, if I'm going to be doing anything like painting, or if the bus develops an oil leak, try to protect this floor. So tarp works fine. I did get one storage shelf moved over here and some of my gear and equipment. So you can see it's a little bit tight through here, but I can walk through here okay. So, and then in the back of the shed, we've got roughly 10 foot of space back here. So I'll probably have an actual full-size 4x8 work table back here, and then just other storage. Actually, probably when I pull the school bus seats out of that, those will get stacked back here. And then along this wall will be more shelves. This shelving unit's about 2 foot deep, and then my workbenches will come in here. They're about 2 feet deep, and I've got a couple other tall storage shelves that are only 1 foot deep, that go up 8 or 9 feet. So those will probably get put up here closer to the door. This is what we got. So I'm excited to have the permanent home for this bus now, and able to really get started on it. Now that it's in here, it's in its new home. One of the first tasks is going to be the traditional demolition of a school bus. So as you can see right now, it's just loaded up with boxes of parts. I got the Max Air fans that you saw in previous videos. All my water tanks are in now, but we're gonna, once I get some storage shelves in the shop, we're gonna get stuff out of this bus and organized, and we're gonna start pulling down, taking out seats and pulling down ceiling panels and ripping up floors. So the true nature of a school bus conversion is finally about to begin in the next month or so. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks.